EasyPianoOnline. Hello everyone, today we will learn how to play the song Roses from the South, a Viennese Waltz, music by Johann Strauss Jr. In this first video tutorial we will learn the first part of this song, and part 2 is on the website, please have a look. Okay, so we'll begin the first part with the right hand. Right hand begins with first finger on C. Fourth finger plays F. Third is on E. Second is on D. Third finger plays E again. F. Then G. And second finger plays D. One more time, E. F, G, and first finger plays C. Repeat the C one more time. Fourth finger is on F, third finger is on E, second is on D, third finger is on E, fourth is on F, third is on E, again E, fifth finger carries up to E. Repeat the E with fourth finger and third finger. Second finger plays D and first is on C. Okay, now we'll look at the left hand. Left hand plays F and A, fingers 4 and 2. And again. Now we move to G and B flat, fingers 3 and 1. Then we have E and B flat, fingers 5 and 1. And again, F and A, fingers 4 and 2. Okay, the next one is G sharp and B, fingers 3 and 1. And then we move up to A and C, fingers 3 and 1. And then B flat and C, fingers 2 and 1. Okay, so as soon as you've mastered each hand separately, we can now combine hands together. Right hand begins with first finger on C, left hand is ready to come in with fourth and second fingers on F and A. Right hand fourth is on F. E. Right hand third is on E, F, G, D, left hand plays G and B flat, right hand E, F, fifth is on G, and first is on C. Left hand plays E and B flat, fingers 5 and 1. Right hand C, F, E, D, right hand E, F, E, and again E, left hand third first fingers on G sharp and B. Now A and C. Right hand fifth is on E. Switch to fourth. And together left hand B flat and C. Right hand third finger is on E. D and C. Okay, so this is it for the first part for the song Roses from the South, a Viennese Waltz. Please see the website for part 2, and I will see you in the next tutorial.